The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has made waves with its achieving 2,359 and using the Exynos 2500 chipset. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, has posted impressive scores of 3,148 for single-core and 10,236 for multi-core. It's worth noting that these scores are expected to improve with further optimization, highlighting the potential for exceptional performance in the final product. Samsung is known for its stunning displays, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to raise the bar even higher. With improvements in brightness, color accuracy, and viewing angles, the S25 Ultra's display is likely to exceed a peak brightness of 3,000 nits. This enhancement will ensure a vibrant and clear viewing experience even in bright outdoor conditions. In addition to the standard S25 series, Samsung may introduce a new model with reduced specs and a slimmer design aimed at affordability. This model, potentially named the Galaxy S25 Ultra Lite, is expected to launch in the second quarter of the year to avoid overlapping with the main S25 series release. There are rumors that Samsung might drop the Galaxy branding as part of a rebranding effort. While this remains unconfirmed, it could signify a new direction for Samsung's flagship devices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to bring diverse color options catering to various style preferences. The standard lineup is expected to include classic black for a sleek and timeless look, green for a modern and earthy tone, blue offering a vibrant and calming hue, and titanium for a metallic premium finish. These color options provide a mix of traditional and bold choices, aiming to appeal to a wide range of users who value both aesthetics and functionality in their devices. Additionally, Samsung is likely to offer bespoke color options exclusively through its website, allowing customers to personalize their Galaxy S25 Ultra beyond the standard palette. These bespoke options could include more unique or seasonal colors, offering users the opportunity to customize their devices to suit personal tastes and trends. Samsung has previously implemented similar strategies, giving users greater control over their phone's appearance, and this feature could add a distinctive appeal to the Galaxy S25 Ultra lineup. The range of colors not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also highlights Samsung's commitment to providing a personalized experience. Whether opting for the standard colors or a bespoke choice, users can expect a visually striking device that reflects Samsung's premium design approach and attention to detail. A supposed live photo of the Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced online. However, it's believed to be a fake dummy model, so we should take this leak with a grain of salt until official images are released. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 x 3120 and Gorilla Glass Armor 2 for added durability. It will sport a quad-camera setup, including wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, and will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset in all regions. With a 5,000 mAh battery and 45 kW fast charging, the S25 Ultra is expected to be priced around $1,300. The Galaxy S25 series is anticipated to launch in January 2025. As we approach the launch date, we can expect more leaks and rumors to surface, giving us a clearer picture of what Samsung has in store. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be an exciting release with significant performance and display enhancements. The potential introduction of a new model and rebranding efforts add an extra layer of intrigue. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news and rumors.